Hi, I'm Brad Moon for Best Buy Canada's blog. Today I'm looking at a very special laptop, the 2020 Dell XPS 13. The first hint this is something out of the ordinary is the premium packaging. Now besides the laptop, inside there's a two-piece USB-C charger. Dell also included a very handy USB-C to USB Type-A dongle in the box. Now this is a very superbly crafted machine. It's CNC machined out of a block of aluminum with a stainless steel inset logo. The palm rests are carbon fiber. The sides have been specially treated to resist scratching when you plug in accessories. As part of the laptop setup, I'm using the integrated Fingerprint Reader for Windows Hello biometric security. If you happen to use an Android smartphone, Windows 10 also plays nicely with notifications and data synchronization. That can be set up right as part of the initial setup process. With any new Windows 10 laptop, that initial setup includes updating to ensure the system has all the latest features and security updates. When I open the XPS 13 up, here's where that Windows Hello setup makes it a lot faster to securely log on. The XPS 13's Infinity Edge display is pretty special. It's extremely bright, it supports Dolby Vision HDR, and it has a very high native contrast ratio for images that really pop. Every year, Dell has been chipping away at bezels, and this year the smaller bezels mean a 13.4-inch display, which is up 6.8% from last year's model, and a body that's still 2% smaller. My review unit has a 1080p Full HD touchscreen panel protected by the latest Corning Gorilla Glass 6. The top bezel conceals a new 4-element webcam with advanced noise reduction for low light conditions and support for Windows Hello facial recognition. Inside is a 10th generation quad-core Intel Core i7 CPU with 16 gigs of DDR4 RAM, making the XPS 13 a productivity powerhouse. The processor features Intel Iris Plus graphics. There's also 512 gigs of ultra-fast M2 PCIe NVMe solid-state storage, and a killer Wi-Fi 6 card for next-generation wireless speeds. The laptop's equipped with two Thunderbolt 3 Usbc ports. They do double duty as charge ports as well. There's a microSD card reader and a 3.5mm audio jack. Now, despite the impressive specs, this laptop feels impossibly light and thin. It's just 1.27 kilograms, or 2.8 pounds, and 1.48 centimeters at its thickest point. With USB-C ports, what happens when someone hands you a thumb drive, or you need to plug in a legacy accessory like a USB hard drive? That's where Dell's included USB-C to USB Type-A dongle saves the day. I haven't talked battery life yet, but it's impressive. I streamed 1080p shows on Netflix with a reasonable battery setting and the display nicely bright. It started off optimistic, estimating over 11.5 hours of battery life. After 6 hours of streaming, the battery was still at 41%. 2.5 hours later, it had dropped to below 20. The laptop ended up going for nearly 10.5 hours, which was just slightly under Dell's rating for this laptop, but I wasn't running in the most aggressive battery saving mode. The latest Dell XPS 13 is a truly impressive flagship laptop. It's beautifully crafted, it's a powerful performer with great battery life, it rocks a gorgeous touchscreen display, it has a great backlit keyboard and a big responsive trackpad, and yet it's impossibly thin and light. You can find it, along with all the latest ultra-portable laptops from top PC brands, including Dell, at Best Buy. To learn more about the new Dell XPS 13, be sure to read my full review on Best Buy Canada's blog.